Hey guys, this is Carrie, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start your next project, which is going to be a tech blog. We're going to be adding some new HTML and CSS features starting probably tomorrow, but not today. Today, I think we'll have a full class based on stuff that we've learned before, and then we'll add some new things tomorrow. All right, so here we go. How do we get started with this? So we're going to be going to repl.it. If you haven't logged in, you should log in. We're going to be creating a brand new project, so this should be your new REPL. And you want to make sure that you're clicking your favorites here, which is going to be, for me, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Sorry, it may not be in your favorites, but you definitely want to click HTML, CSS, and JavaScript because we're making another website. Now, it's going to give you 3 random words as the name, but I think a better name for this might be like something like my tech blog or just tech blog. Something with the phrase tech blog, because that's what this project is going to be. And then you're going to be creating your REPL. Now this is pretty cool. It's prompting us to run it to see the output, which is always very nice. So I'm going to run it, and I get what I expect, a blank web page. We've got a completely empty HTML file here with just the basic structure. And it's giving us a JavaScript and a CSS file. Now it's linking in that CSS file right here, so that's going to be important. We want to leave that link because this is what connects our style to our HTML file. We aren't going to be working with JavaScript actually in this unit still. JavaScript will start in our next unit. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete the script tag here that links in the JavaScript. Now I've actually already gotten started on my tech blog. But before you can get started on your tech blog, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to watch this video on YouTube. It's called Humans Need Not Apply. And I'll give you the link to this video somewhere separate. And our first tech blog entry is going to be a response to this video. So after you're done watching the video, what you're going to do is you're going to set up your tech blog. And in order for you to avoid having to watch me do it, I actually did it in a separate page. So here's my tech blog. You're going to have a couple of things here. You're going to have a basic title, which should be something like tech blog, which would be like an H1. You'll have an H2, which is a subtitle. For me, Carrie's opinion on some tech-related topics. And then finally, you're going to get into your blog post using an H3, perhaps. For robots, this is my blog post title, robots are taking over, and you may want to have an H4, I don't know, that's up to you. So then you're required to have an image, and you're also required to have a couple of paragraphs. My paragraphs are mostly random words, but yours won't be. So I'm not going to really show you too much about the HTML here. This is all stuff you know how to do. And I've applied some basic styling using CSS. Once you finish adding this content to your web page, the H1, H2, H3, image, and paragraphs, I'd like you to spend the rest of your period working on some styles, maybe centering the image, maybe changing the colors, something I've neglected to do, maybe making a better font. And then we're going to add some new features to this tomorrow, so make sure that you have all of the requirements as given on Google Classroom complete so that you're ready for tomorrow's class. Bye.